Good morning, my dear student. Today I am going to discuss about some important questions from atomic structure that will help you for your upcoming board exam, as well as this will be great benefit to those who are preparing for all competitive exam. So let's start. We discuss one by one questions regarding this atomic structure. My dear student, here I choose a few important questions like number 1, what do you mean by 1 Faraday charge? Number 2, why are anode rays called canal rays? Number 3, what is the mass of proton in atomic mass unit and in gram? Another next question, number 4, is what is the maximum capacity of L cell of an atoms? Number 5 question, what is the maximum number of electron that can be there in last cell of an atoms? Number 6 question, that what names can be given together to protons and neutrons? Number 7 question, what is the meaning of valence cell? Number 8 questions, why do isotopes have same chemical properties? Number 9 questions, why do anions have negative charge? Number 10 question, find out the valency of an element having the atomic number 14. Number 11 question, which element does not have any neutron in its nucleus? Number 12 question, what will be the charge on 48 gram of Mg2 plus cation? Number 13 question, what is the mass of one alpha particle? Number 14 question, who discovered the proton? Number 15 question, why is the nucleus positively charged? Number 16 question, what information is given by the formation of cathode rays about the atoms? Number 17 question, write down the electronic configuration of the element whose atomic mass is 12. Number 18 question, what will be the charge on 1 mole aluminium 3 plus cation? Number 19 question, which isotope is used to treatment of blood cancer? Number 20 question, what are the medical uses of iodine 131, sodium 24 and cobalt 60? Now first question, what do you mean by 1 Faraday charge? The answer here, the charge on 1 mole electron is called 1 Faraday. Its numerical value is approximately 96,500 coulombs. Now number 2 questions, why are anode rays called canal rays? Here answer, when the Goldstein used to perforated cathode, then he found that the anode rays were passing through the pores of perforated cathode. So he called these rays as canal rays. Now number 3 question, what is the mass of proton in atomic mass unit and in gram? Now answer is that the mass of protons in atomic mass unit is 1 unit or 1 atomic mass unit, and in gram it is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Number 4 questions, what is the maximum capacity of L cell of an atoms? Here, as you know, the K cell, L cell, M cell and N cell. Here K cell occupied 1 electron, L cell occupied 2 electrons and M cell occupied 3 electrons and N cell occupied 4 electrons. Therefore, L is second cell. So the maximum capacity of electrons, as you know, 2 into n square formula. So here 2 into 2 square is equal to 8 electrons, right? Now number 5 questions here. What is the maximum number of electron that can be there in last shell of an atom? The answer is here, the last shell is called the valence shells. Okay, so the valence shells can have maximum 8 electron, except in a few cases in which 2 electron can be accommodated in valence shell. I hope student you clearly understood and have enjoyed. So student, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friend, and also don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you next time.